Hello, I'm very happy to be here at the Whiskey Plus event, and very nice to discover Goalong Distillery here, and you can really taste the different barrels. So they're doing it with 5 different barrels, and you can really taste the complexity in there. Thank you for inviting me.
Just had a great taste of this beautiful whiskey. It's from Changsha in Hunan. High quality whiskey, and I can recommend it to everyone. I'm from Scotland, by the way. I'm a history professor, so what I say has some force. I've drank many whiskeys, and this is delicious. Thank you very much.
I'm really surprised at this whiskey because the color is so light, but it has a really nice full flavor.